little chair.
Ah Achoo!
Teddy woke up in his little chair. He sneezed so loud the toys all cried.
Bless you, Teddy! They replied. The robot jumped, the doll said wow. The puppy toy barking, what was that now? Achoo!
Again he sneezed. Poor little Teddy felt uneasy. I grabbed a tissue, wiped his nose, then did a funny dancing pose.
Achoo, achoo, one more time. Now he's giggling, feeling fine.
If you sneeze like Teddy Bear, use a tissue, show you care.